Dear students, let us watch a video in Aptitude series with the topic Profit and Loss. Now, in profit and loss, the concept we should understand first is cost price and selling price. Okay, the price at which an article is purchased. Okay, the cost at which we get an article or we buy an article or we bought, purchase. These are the keywords when it comes for cost price. Okay, that is going to be a cost price. Suppose when we sell or when we sell a product, okay, so a price at which an article is sold is called as selling price. Here the keywords sales and sold are to be remembered. So this is the basic thing, okay, when we come to the topic profit and loss and cost price and selling price. Okay, so now here are the set of formulas which I have mentioned here for you for your better understanding. Okay, so what is that? Profit, when we consider a product is sold for a profit, is selling price minus cost price. Okay, the selling price should be greater than the cost price. When it is loss, when your cost price is going to be more than your selling price, so cost price minus selling price. So please have these two formulas, profit percentage and loss percentage, in your mind. Okay, whenever you sell a product with a profit, your profit by cost price will be into 100, gives you the profit percentage. Loss percentage is nothing but loss by cost price into 100. Now cost price percentage is always 100 percentage. Okay, but when it comes for selling price percentage, selling price is equal to cost price percentage plus profit percentage. In case if you have occurred or incurred with a loss, so that will become cost price percentage minus loss percentage. Okay, so have these formulas in your mind. Now I have tabulated and given you for your simple understanding. Okay, so this is gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Gain percentages, gain by cost price into 100. Now these two formulas, selling price and cost price, okay, when we interchange the gain percentage formula, okay, 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into cost price. Similarly for cost price, this will be 100 by 100 plus gain percentage into selling price. When you have incurred a loss, the formula goes on like this: selling price is equal to selling price minus loss percentage by 100 into cost price. Okay, cost price is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss price into selling price. Now, for an example, a shirt was bought for rupees 120 and sold for rupees 150. Find the profit and its percentage. Now, cost price of the shirt is 120, selling price of the product is 150. So obviously here it is a profit because your selling price is more than your cost price. So selling price minus cost price, so your profit is 30. Now in order to calculate the profit percentage, what we will do, we have the formula which we have learnt earlier, that is profit by cost price into 100. Here profit is 30, 30 by cost price is equal to 120. Okay, your profit is 30 and your cost price is 120. When you substitute that in the formula, you have 25 percentage profit. Okay, so very nice. Next problem, we will be studying the next problem. A man bought a radio for rupees 480. For how much will be it sold to loss at 20 percentage? Now cost price is equal to 480. Cost price is always 100 percentage, I told you earlier. Okay, now selling price is cost price minus loss. So 100 percentage minus 20 percentage is selling prices. It has sold just for 80 percentage. So 80 percentage. Now we know cost price into selling price percentage. That is 480 into 80 by 100. Your radio is sold at rupees 384. Now next problem. By selling an article for rupees 480, a salesman gains 20 percentage. Find the cost of the article. He has gained percentage as 20 percentage. Now how we will calculate the selling price? That is nothing but 480. Okay, selling price is equal to 480. So he has sold it for 120 percentage. So that is equal to 480 into 100 by, it is getting inverse. Okay, 100 by 120. So on calculating it, we will get the answer as 400. Now there are two set of rules. In this video we will be learning the first rule and the next rule will be followed in the next video. So when article passes many hands, suppose you are purchasing an article, your friend is buying that article, another friend is buying from your friend. Okay, so finally what is the selling price? So how we will calculate is using this formula. Selling price is equal to cost price into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100, and it goes on like that. Okay, now the problem is a selling price of an article to B. A sells an article to B at 10% gain, B to C at 20% profit, and C sells it at the rate of your selling price is going to be 4,290, thereby making 30% profit. Now, how much did he sell? Just applying the formula here. Cost price is equal to 100. You're just multiplying it, okay? That means 10 by 100 into 20 by 100, then it will become 30 by 100 into 4290. Okay, so in the previous formula this is getting inversed. Okay, so selling price goes to the other side, okay, and cost price comes to the this side, so that is why all the values are getting inversed. Okay, so on finally calculating, when you simplify it and if you see, you will get the answer as 2500. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video.